Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2014 Ford Escape SE. Under the hood we have a 1.6-liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in white. You do have your bug deflector right up front there with your Ford badging. You also got your lights right there, very bright. And coming around the side here we do have our general brand tires with our rims there, 17-inch rims. They look great, lots of tread left on them. You do also have your mirrors hanging out right there. They are heated as well, keeping things nice and safe. You do also have your SE badging, your Eco Boost, as well as the Escape, backup camera, and the Ford. Press this button here, open it up. Lots of room back here. Looks great. You have this guy here to cover it up if you did need to do that. Then you also have your spare tire just underneath there if you did ever need it. And those seats do fold forward as well. Okay, we have our keys here. 2 presses to unlock all the doors, 1 press to lock them, and we do have our panic button there. Let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all in here. Handle here, and some storage down here with a water bottle holder. Looks great in here as well. Very comfortable seats. You do have the leather, very nice. You do also have the controls over the seats right here, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt and the lumbar support there as well. And then up here we do have the controls over our fog lights, and then our light control here, so our off, our daytime running lights, low beams, and auto. Then you do have over here your in-cabin light control, and then up here we've got the turning signals and the high beams. Okay, let's start her up here. So foot on the brake, press the button, start her up. In the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. Right in the center there it does tell us how many kilometers we have. As well, we can switch that around from our distance till empty to our trip odometer. We also got our trip timer, instant fuel icon. Then you also have your average fuel and your speed. And then you can switch that around to your trip options and your info, as well as your settings. There's all sorts of different guides to look through in there as well. That is controlled from right here with your cruise control options, horn in the center. Then you got your volume up and down with the skip and the mode. Then your Bluetooth options just down there. Right here we do also have the controls over our windshield wipers. And in the center here we do have our touchscreen display. Looks great. So you do have your phone options right up here. You have your entertainment down here. So if you have one hooked up, you got your AM, FM, your Sirius XM, your USB, aux cord, as well as your Bluetooth, SD, and your AV. Then you have your information up here and your climate control just down here. It is a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. When you are in reverse, you got the ever useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe. CD player just up there, and then over here you do have your tuner, your source, eject, power up and down with the off and on. Then you have your hazard lights, your lock, and then you do have your seek options here and your sound. Right down here in the climate control we do have the heat up and down with the auto, power up and down, AC, you have where it's going to blow out of. Then you have your defrost over here and the other side for the heat. Then you do have your gear shift right here, heated seats right down here, cup holders, emergency brake, and you do have your armrest, doubles as a storage container. Lots of room in there as well. You do have your USB plugins as well as the AV plugins. And over here we do have our glove box with our owner's manual inside of it. Up top you do have a sunglass holder as well as you do have your lights right there. Let's take a look in the back. Opening this guy up. On the door here you have your handle, control of your windows, another handle here, and some storage down here with a water bottle. You do have lots of room back here. Looks great. Does seat 5 people all together. You can fold this guy down just like that. Then you got an armrest with some cup holders as well. You got a plug-in just down there. And then pulling this guy, you can fold these seats forward, as I said. Then you do have even more room in the back. And there's our 1.6-liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video. The 2014 Ford Escape SE. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.